This video is for the class on our school, exponents, discovering exponents and polynomials. And if you're in this class, I'm going to pause, put the answers up, and you can check your work. If you're not in this class but you would like to be, all you have to do is go to the description and click on the link, and it'll bring you to my class. All right, so if you're in this class, I'm going to throw up the answers so you can grade your work. Hold on one second. All right, so go ahead and grade your paper. Here are all the answers. All right, I'm going to assume that you have pushed pause if you are still grading, and I'm going to go on. Let me zoom in. We'll start with the first three questions. So in these, we know what's the base is what is being multiplied together. In this case, it's x, okay? I can see that x is what's being multiplied together. The exponent is how many times it's multiplied, so that is 4, so it's x to the 4th. Here I can see what's being multiplied together is z, and the exponent is how many times it's multiplied together, which is 2. This is just a quicker way of doing multiplication, so you see we're writing it quicker. So in this one, what's being multiplied is y, and it's being multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So y to the 6th. Now we're going to expand them. We're going to make them big. So remember, this is what is being multiplied. So t is being multiplied, and it's being multiplied 3 times. So t times t times t. This one, x is being multiplied, and it's being multiplied 5 times. So x times x times x times x times x. And this one, p is what's being multiplied, and it's being multiplied 7 times. So p times p times p times p times, whoa, I think there's too many. Nope. P times p times p times p times p times p times p. There's like a 6 written there that's just off in the distance. All right, so to do this first one is 13 times 13. 13 is what's being multiplied, and it's being multiplied 2 times. So 9, 3, get underneath the 1, 3, 1, and it's 9, 6, 1. Or you can use the trick I showed you in the review video. Doesn't matter how many times I multiply 1 times anything is the other thing. So the answer is just going to be 1. In this one, we're doing 7 times 7 times 7, which the first 2 7s will make 49. Then we multiply by another 7, and that is going to be 28 plus 6 is 34. 343. All right, in this one, we're going to take 12 times 12. This is one of the ones you should have memorized. If you don't, go back to the review video where it teaches you your perfect squares. Okay? 144. You can use the trick in the review video. All right, this one is 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. So if I do these first two, they're 36, and I'm going to do these two, which is 36. And I'm going to take 36 times 36. I'm going to add, and my answer comes out to 1,296. All right, this is 8 being multiplied together 3 times. 8 times 8 is 64, times another 8 is going to be 51. So 512. All right, and the next set, and this is our last set, we need to expand the expression and then use order of operations to solve. So first I give you the expression. This is what's being multiplied, and this is how many times it's being multiplied. So this is being multiplied 3 times, and then if I'm going to apply order of operation, I'm going to do what's in the parenthesis. 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 times 11, that's one of the ones we should have memorized, is 121. Times another 11. Let's go ahead and do that math. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 1 is 1. It's not going to change anything for the second. And it comes out to 1,331. All right, this is what's being multiplied, and this is how many times it's being multiplied. So it's only being multiplied twice. If I'm going to do that order of operations, I got to do what's in the parenthesis first. And within the parenthesis, I got to do this multiplication first. So it's going to be 12 plus 5. And then 12 plus 5 is 17. Since this is the exact same thing, I'm just going to put 17 twice. And we're going to multiply these. That's 49, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Get underneath the 1. 289. All right. So now this is what's being multiplied, and it's being multiplied twice, as you can see here. If I do my order of operations, 7 plus 2 is 9. Same thing here. Multiply them together, I get 81. Very good, very good. So keep practicing until you feel like you've got this, and then come back and we will and come to the next class or watch the next video, whatever's next in your particular section.